Everyone, this is Tim from Your Sake Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to move your photos to an SD card on your Samsung phone or your Android phone. So this is very easy to do. So if you're doing this on your Android phone, just swipe up and type in Files. So let's go to Files right here. And then you'll probably see this right here. So let's go to Files. And then open this up and you'll see your SD card down here. So you can open this up and you probably want to create a folder on it. So you can just go to the new, the folder icon right here, and then just name it Photos or something, and you can see I have things in my DCIM folder. Now you want to locate your photos, so you can just go to Images right here, and then you can see everything on here, and you just hold down on them. And there should be an option to Select All. I think if you go at the top, go to Select All. I have 186 of these. I can just select. And then I want to copy these over to a different location. So we can just go to Copy To or Move To. So we can just go to Copy and then go to SD card. And I probably don't want to copy over everything. So I'm just going to select just a few of them. So let's go to Select All. Can I unselect? And I don't see an option to unselect. There we go. So let's just move one over. Go to Copy To, SD card. Find location, your folder. And then you go to Copy here. And now you just move it over successfully. And we can go to SD card right here and just check it out. See if it moved over. And I have some pictures or something here that just didn't quite make it. It looks like I'm not sure what these are. August 3rd, 14th, and whatever. So I'm just going to delete that. And then you can see some pictures on here. So like this one right here. So everything should be on your SD card. You can bring it from one place to another. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.